Here's my 99 Accord tranny back out. Just got done taking it out after it started making some nasty diff noises, final drive noises, varied with vehicle speed, some screeching and howling, and then that stopped and it was doing some clunking, and none of that's any good. Just got done pushing it outside to rot here for a few weeks. So we'll open it up and see what we got. Got this beautiful 99 Sebring here that I picked up cheap to drive for a couple of weeks while I have my car down. It's definitely the shittiest 2G Eclipse I've ever even dreamed of. It's slower than a Volvo, but at least it's a nice shape. I can't wait to get rid of it. Got this teardown tray here. Seems like a really trick tool, but no tool truck guy's heard of it. Go to Petco, get yourself a dog crate liner, and you've got a great teardown tray for any sort of unit repair. Well, this time it failed without allowing enough movement to leak. I guess that's what happens when you stop driving it after it makes a disturbing noise. And here we have these sticking clutch pressure control valves. Right here's a spring. Valve is supposed to be pushed to the left. If you push it to the right, it should return, but it doesn't. It has to be pushed back. You can see neither of these return on their own, and have some scoring present on the valves themselves. So what we'll do is remove these end caps here, pull these out of here and clean them up. This thing is still actually pretty clean. I'm having a thought that maybe it's coincidence that those valves started sticking real bad now.